Hello everyone, Mike here, and we have the clip-on light sent over by Vont. Color white. Here's some of the features: adjustable neck, touch control, flicker, and has long battery life so you can charge it up. So Vont, a pretty reputable company. Check them online, so thank you for sending this over. I'm going to go ahead and check it out and let you know my thoughts. Here's everything right out of the box. Here's the light. You see it's adjustable. So you do have the USB cable here. Doesn't actually have the dock that you would put it into. So that, not a big problem for me, but it would be easier if it had that. But so it is actually working right out of the box. So it does have a pretty big clip and then rubber grips, so it doesn't move as much. Kind of has like that mouse look to it on a computer. So it looks like it has 3 settings. You tap it once, there's the lowest, middle, and then the brightest. So that's cool. There's no actual buttons. It's just kind of like a touch screen. So that's nice and easy. Touch right in that little square and it will light right up for you. So this thing is adjustable, so that makes it very portable. So if you gotta take it wherever you're going, you can definitely take this with you, prop it up, or clip it to a table, whichever you prefer. So the clip is pretty big. You have to, there's rubber on the insides to give it a better grip. So to make sure that it's on those rubber things there, as you can see, top and bottom. It is in a darker area. I'm gonna give you an idea of what the brightness level is. So that's pretty bright. If you're in the dark, that's gonna be more than enough light, and this is very easy to move, so that's nice. It's pretty good. This will come in handy if you're reading or if you're on your computer late night. You can just plug it into the USB port. Just go right on the side there. You should get about 8 hours of battery life on a full charge, right? And then also Vont does offer a lifetime warranty. So pretty nice light. You can see why it's popular. It'll do the trick. Very bright. And I could see myself bringing this with me if I needed a light on the go. Also want to mention, if you do want to activate the lifetime warranty, you do have to go onto their website, vont.com/warranty, to complete the activation within 72 hours of opening the package.
I want to say, if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.